If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning bed.
So I came down to this reservoir today. Pretty much lots of water still need to see it work. I think it won't be any light at all, which is quite sad because I wanted to get nice sunset, but this is what photography like. There is a chance all the time, but there is another side when obviously cannot always get that light. Obviously what I would like to see or expect to happen. As we are in the United Kingdom, so as I just happened, when I started from home it was nice and sunny, but now the rain is really on and off, and to be honest I've never been here before. And what I'm gonna do, this is another condition. People, you know, they don't like to shoot because they say there's no light, what they expect, what not. At least I'm on my own. I own all this lake reservoir here. Just take my time, start rain, but still happy. There's nothing to do with this. So crack on, get some images. Weather forecast, which is nothing wrong with it, but I didn't expect rain. I took a couple shots. I really hope it's gonna work with the weather conditions. Worth it to take it. I didn't use my tripod, so it was all the shot handheld. It's a good practice having an experience in the rain. Always when I'm being out in the past and it start raining, I pack everything away. I'm said, you know, there's no shots anymore. Obviously I wasn't really happy with that. This is the key, to step forward, to do something what you never ever done before. So I hope you did like this video, and I'm gonna be out for the couple next days, so hopefully you will enjoy the upcoming videos and this one too. So I know it was a little bit short, but photography, this is what it is. So I think I finished this one and I call it a day. See you later.